or I believe I want, actually, I'm going to cancel and I'll show you the rule. I'm going to close this. The rule that I'm going to have, I'm going to show you the rule first and then we'll replicate it. Under Manage Rules, oh, have to be in it to get to it. Is this particular rule. And this rule was format cells that only contain, and I wanted to show cell values that are equal to 1, and then I formatted it to this light pink color. It could certainly be blue, brown, etc. So that's what I'm going to replicate on my sheet. Conditional formatting, Manage Rules. My new rule is cells that contain a cell value that is equal to, and in my case I'm going to put 1. And then I'm going to format that so that the fill color is, and I chose maybe the shade of the reddish, pinkish color. I'm going to choose OK. I'm going to choose OK. And I'll choose OK again. Now, from that perspective, if I know that Get Approvals is going to start on the 24th when I type a 1 and a 1 and a 1, you can see that I'm filling in values. And maybe in this particular case, these are the days that this occurs. Maybe in this particular case, these are the days that this occur, and so on and so forth. So you can see, in essence, I am creating the timeline for, or the Gantt chart view for my task list. And I can see how long it's going to take. Again, I'm looking at days, but if this were in fact weeks, then I would create a formula that would look at the week, or I could even create functions that show week by week, and so on and so forth. So my date wouldn't be day by day, it would be week by week, etc. Now I'm going to count essentially everything that's in this row to understand what the duration is for, in this case, Get Approval. So I'm just using a count function. So equal count. And in my case, I'm going to start at this cell and go all the way to AG. And you can see that it says 4. Now, I want to basically copy this down. And if this were 40,000 rows, I wouldn't want to drag. So I'm going to use fill. The fill option is this small black handle in the lower right-hand corner. Because I'm filling down vertically, I can double-click, and it would certainly match the length of whatever my list was. So once that's in place, normally I might have that in place ahead of time.